So, hi everyone! I am Ryan Racine R. Falcon from BEd Evening 2-8A. I will do a blindfolded recital of the regions of the Philippines. Regions, provinces, and capitals. Region 1, Ilocos. Ilocos Norte, Capital, Laog City. Ilocos Sur, Capital, Vigan City. La Union, Capital, San Fernando City. Pangasinan, Capital, Ligayen. Region 2, Cagayan Valley. Batanes, Capital, Basco. Cagayan, Capital, Tuguegarao City. Isabela, Capital, Iligan. Nueva Vizcaya, Capital, Bayumbong. Quirino, Capital, Carabugis. Region 3, Central Luzon. Aurora, Capital, Baler. Bataan, Capital, Balanga City. Bulacan, Capital, Malolos City. Pampanga, Capital, San Fernando City. Nueva Vizcaya, Capital, Palayan City. Tarlac, Capital, Tarlac City. Zambales, Capital, Iba. Region 4A, Calabarzon. Batangas, Capital, Batangas City. Cavite, Capital, Tres Martinez City. Laguna, Capital, Santa Cruz. Quezon, Capital, Lucena City. Rizal, Capital, Antipolo City. Region 4B, Mimaropa. Marinduque, Capital, Buak. Occidental Mindoro, Capital, Marubayaw. Oriental Mindoro, Capital, Calapan City. Palawan, Capital, Puerto Princesa City. Romblon, Capital, Romblon. Region 5, Bicol. Albay, Capital, Legazpi City. Camarines Norte, Capital, Daet. Camarines Sur, Capital, Pili. Catanduanes, Capital, Verac. Masbate, Capital, Masbate City. Sorsogon, Capital, Sorsogon City. Region 6, Western Visayas. Aklan, Capital, Calibo. Antique, Capital, San Jose. Capiz, Capital, Rojas City. Guimaras, Capital, Jordan. Iloilo, Capital, Iloilo City. Negros Occidental, Capital, Bacolod City. Region 7, Central Visayas. Bohol, Capital, Tagbilaran City. Cebu, Capital, Cebu City. Negros Oriental, Capital, Dumaguete City. Siquijor, Capital, Siquijor. Region 8, Eastern Visayas. Biliran, Capital, Naval. Eastern Samar, Capital, Borogan City. Leyte, Capital, Tacloban City. Northern Samar, Capital, Catamaras. Southern Leyte, Capital, Maasin City. Western Samar, Capital, Catpalongan City. Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Zamboanga del Norte, capital, Dipolog City. Zamboanga del Sur, capital, Pagadian City. Zamboanga Sibugay, capital, Ipil. Region 10. Northern Mindanao, Bukidnon. Capital, Malabay City. Camiguin, capital, Mabaho. Lanao del Norte, capital, Tubod. Misamis Oriental, capital, City. Misamis Oriental, capital, Cagayan de Oro City. Region 11, Davao, Compostela Valley. Capital, Nabutuan. Davao del Norte, capital, Tagum City. Davao del Sur, capital, Digos City. Davao Oriental, capital, City of Mati. Region 12, Soc-Sargen, Cotabato, Northern Cotabato. Capital, Capawan City. Sarangani, capital, Alabel. South Cotabato, capital, Corodalal City. Sultan Kudarat, capital, Isulan. Region 13, Caraga, Agusan del Norte, capital, Cabaratan City. Agusan del Sur, capital, Prosperidad. Digatan Islands, capital, San Jose. Surigao del Norte, capital, Siargao. Siargao del Sur, capital, Tandag City. ARMM Region, Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Basilan, capital, Basilan. Lanao del Sur, capital, Marawi. Maguindanao, capital, Sharif Ugat. Maragduy. Sharif Kabuslan, capital, Datu Udin. Sinulat Sulu, capital, Hulu. Tawi-Tawi, capital, Paligma. Sugalad, Palbibiling. Car Region, Cordillera Administrative Region. Abra, capital, Benguet. Apayo, capital, Kabugan. Benguet, capital, La Trinidad. Ifugao, capital, Lagway. Kalinga, capital, Tabuk. Mountain Province, capital, Bontoc. NCR Region, National Capital Region. Cities, Caloocan, Las Piñas, Makati, Malabon, Malanduyog, Manila, Marikina, Muntinlupa, Navatos, Parañaque, Pasay, Pasig, Quezon City, San Juan, Taguig, Venezuela. Municipality, Pateros.